How's it going, guys? I hope you're doing good. My name is Frank for those who are new to the channel, and welcome. And please, if you're liking my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like them. In today's episode, we are going to be doing some basic maintenance on my friend's car, because as I told you before, I will be helping my friends working on their cars. So that is what we are going to do today. Alright, so this is the car and this is the owner, Mr. John.
How's it, gents?
So we are going to be changing the oil filter and the
Air filter.
air filter.
Need to do the something.
Oh yes, we are going to install the bumper lip. We are going to give it just a nice clean look with this new shiny bumper
This
lip.
came from eBay.
eBay
Some
stuff.
days back, yeah. eBay stuff, not that bad. Let's see how it looks.
Yeah. Alright guys, so those are the tools or the products that we are going to use. First, we need a 14mm wrench to take out the bolt and drain the oil. Of course, we need a brand new oil filter. We need a brand new air filter, and of course, the magic liquid, the oil. Guys, so to change the air filter is easy. You just need to open the air filter box and just plug the filter here and then insert it. Super easy. Ta-da! Magic! The air filter is done. Alright guys, so we are here under the car. So this is the oil filter, and this is the nut that we need to loosen to drain the oil. So this is the drain plug. It's kind of dirty here. Maybe we are having some leak somewhere. So first, let me just unbolt there and drain the oil. Okay, now John is taking out the bolt to drain the oil. He used a 14mm to unscrew it.
4 to 6 days later.
Alright guys, now we have oil draining. Now the oil is draining and we have to take out the filter. Alright guys, we have just took off the oil filter and we still have some oil draining there. So let's wait a bit for that oil drain.
1 eternity later.
Quick update here. The new filter is in and we got the drain bolt tight. So now it's time to fill the car with new fresh oil. So yeah guys, this is the magic liquid that we are going to be putting into the engine. So we have some funnels here to help us out.
Some homemade film.
Yeah.
Later that same evening.
Now the oil is in. You will always want to make sure that the level is correct before adding more fluid, as we add 5 liters, right?
Yeah.
5 liters. So after checking that your oil is in level, make sure you close the cap and start your engine. Nice. The engine is alive. It's alive. So now it's time to install the bumper lip.
The eBay bumper lip.
The eBay bumper lip. So it is an easy trick. We just have to unscrew some bolts here and make sure that we put some double-sided tape here, and we are done.
Let's see the fitment.
Yeah, let's see the fitment first. Wait. Now we are testing the fitment.
I think we need to change the clips.
Here. Oh, okay, this point, yeah.
It should look fine.
Alright guys, quick update here. We have just fastened the two bolts on the driver's side. Now we're going to move to the passenger side. Yeah. That's it. The bumper lip is installed finally.
A few fitment issues.
Everything is on the place. The car is looking dope. Yeah, that's it. I think we reached our goal. What's the date for today? Yes, sure.
Day 2.
So this is how the car is looking now. Wow, looking so good, man. So that's it, guys. There's some updates that we have done. As you can see here, we had to cut the bumper lip to make sure that it fits, because we also installed those LEDs. We did the same on the other side, and now everything is good and fitting perfectly. So the car is looking very nice, very nice. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Many thanks to John for making this happen, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notifications to get notifications when I post new video. And Happy New Year 2019. I hope you subscribe, because it's a new year, so make sure you subscribe.
More videos coming.
More videos coming 2019. We have many things to do, and we are doing our best to bring to you the best content possible. So that's it. Thank you once again. Peace.